Hello everyone. It's kind of quiet. I got some brave bluebirds right over here because you notice it's looking up. They're all waiting. They would love to eat some breakfast. There's Mr. Hawk. He's perched there. He's not on the top, he's on one of those things that stick out. That holds the lines. And naturally, right before I started recording, another one flew right over my head. I mean, it was up and quite a ways up, but it wasn't any higher than the pole. But there was another one that flew right over here, and he went that way down there. It's cloudy, kind of overcast today. There's the sun back there trying to peek through. Still a little sleepy. I got up real early today. I've noticed some birds have been using the bird bath. There's a brave bird. Just flew over there on the ground. Nice taking off you. One reason I know is because there's seeds in it. And that's a little too far from there to there for the seeds to just fall in there, so. And we actually saw some of the bluebirds bathing in it, so some of them are using it. Hello, Mr. Hawk. How are you this morning? He's looking at me. Here comes a blue jay. It passed right by, I'm surprised. There's another one. Oh, here we go. I'll tell you though, the blue jays may be kind of, they kind of aggravate all the other birds, but they're the ones that get up there and mess with Mr. Hawk. They're the only ones that's, really not as afraid. He's ruffling his feathers now. I've seen some other little birds kind of pick at it, but if you can see there, I don't know if you can see, but there's one on each side of him. There's a blue jay on each side. I don't know if that's a blue jay on the right though or not. It's hard to tell from here. Look at him, he's moving around a little bit. I don't know if, I can't wait to get to where I can zoom in. pick at him. Oh, these two are fighting each other or something. That's not a blue jay. I really don't know what that is. Those are the ones, though, that usually are up there with him. I wish one of the big feathers would fall down. When he cleans and stuff, there'll be some like little feathers that come down to the ground. Our air conditioner is fantastic. It's not big enough to cool the whole house, and just like in the winter time, we keep it very cold in the house, but in the family room I close it off with a big like comforter. I close it off and then we run an infrared heater in there and it stays real warm. So I basically did the same thing. I just used a bed sheet this time, but to close it off, we closed it off in there, and it is just, you can tell as soon as you go in there, instant relief. So it's doing real well, and maybe I especially feel sick when it's real humid and hot in the house. It's been like 85 degrees or so in the house for a couple weeks now, I bet. But it didn't pull down to 72, but we didn't have it all day running either. So I've got it running this morning, and I have it on 72. I'll see how far. I think it pulled down to 80 or something with the time it had yesterday. So I imagine all day it'll probably pull down lower than that. But even 80 feels good when it's 85, 90 degrees in the house. I think he's looking at something. He's kind of, you know how a cat gets when it sees something and it's gonna jump on it. He was looking at something real close. Huh. He's not doing it now. Oh, I can't wait until I get my telescope thing to zoom in. It's really rather nice out right now. The clouds are covering the sun, and everything. Well, I guess I'll go for now. I wasn't able to do this yesterday because it was raining. But it may not rain today, I hope. Because we had enough rain for now. The garden loves it. Okay, everybody. Please press that like button, subscribe if you hadn't already, and hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. Y'all have a good day, and I will see you later on.